There are 4 execution methods to achieve results at scale. We need to test, where we try and adapt ideas to learn what works in your system. Also think of implementation. Make a change a permanent part of the day-to-day operation of the system. It needs to be about the work, not additional work. Spread. Have individuals adopt the changes. And scale up is actually overcoming the structural issues that arise during spread. For our purposes in this lesson, we're going to focus on these two, spread and scale up. Spread, where you have individuals adopt the changes, and scale up, where you talk about and look towards overcoming the structural issues that arise during spread. The method of communication is important for spread. How do you raise awareness and shape the behavior? What are those attributes that facilitate adoption of improvement? There are 5 key stages of adoption. First, awareness. Are they aware? Do they even know what you're talking about? Persuasion. Why? What's in it for me? A decision. Is it important? Do I really want to do this? Implementation. Now that's execution. They do it themselves. They work on it themselves, and it becomes part of their work. And then confirmation. Are we measuring it? Do we do spot checks? Are we sure that the improvement is happening? Adoption of improvement doesn't come naturally, so you need to make a plan. There are specific actions that you can take to assure the spread of improvements. These actions include: you must develop your communication plan. This is the method, the messengers, and the messages. Think about who, what, when, where, and how. What does your audience need? What will they respond to? Next, identify these early adopters and the opinion leaders that you have. Find a cheerleader. Often the people that tested and worked on the PDSA cycles are great, and they are the real deal. They know what they tried, they know what didn't work, and they know why it didn't work. Find them, encourage them, and use them. Identify transition issues. These are the barriers to adoption, and discuss ways to overcome them. Think it through. Yes, these barriers are going to be there, and you can reasonably predict them. Establish a plan to track the number of adopters over time. Make a list, assign, delegate responsibility, and check that list twice. Scaling up. This is looking and addressing structural issues that may arise during the spread process. As we move from unit to unit, from pod to pod, from building to building, we will have to address some of these structural issues. They could be hours open, they could be staff, they could be equipment issues that need to be addressed as they come up. This is where you need to assure you have continued administrative support.